So this now is the second video. In fact, I'm only going to do 2 videos because I want to keep the other one a little bit of a surprise for you guys to try it first. Okay, so this is video number 2. Okay, and in this we're going to look at this problem. Okay, so here is a roof and there is something hanging from that roof. Okay, now for the first time the angles are not the same. So this angle is 45 degrees and this angle is 29 degrees. Alright, there are 2 different tensions, not the same tension. There's tension T1 and there's tension T2. Alright, and then there's mg, and we'll say that the mass that's hanging is 17 kilograms. So what we need to do, and in every statics problem all you need to do is very simple. You need to put up equals down and left equals right. That's all you have to do. If the body is in equilibrium, it's not accelerating, then the net force must be equal. So what we're going to do here is we're going to resolve vertically. Okay, so vertically up, T2 sine 29 plus T1 sine 45 is equal to 17 times G. That is up and that is down. Okay, horizontally, left is T2 cos 29 and right is T1 cos 45. Okay, and they must be equal because it's not, this is left, this is the force pulling left, this is the force pulling right, right, and they must be equal. So what we've got here are 2 equations and 2 unknowns, a perfect set of simultaneous equations. So I'm going to solve these and show you how to solve this. So T2 is equal to T1 cos 45 over cos 29. See that? Very simple. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it up there instead of T2. Okay? So T1 cos 45 over cos 29 multiplied by sine 29 plus T1 sine 45 equals 17G. Okay? So now I'm just going to do the calculations. It's pretty simple. So I've got T1, the first one here is cos 45 times sine 29 divided by cos 29. Okay? This is 0.87461997. And this is sine 45. Okay? Now, I didn't calculate sine 45, I calculated them all together, so I went straight down here using my calculator. 1581726 is equal to 17 times 9.81. 17 times 9.81 divided by the answer equals. So T1 is equal to 105.435. Notice the steps. 105 newtons. The last step, 1.05 times 10 squared newtons. Okay? Now, if I want to get T2, I can just plug it back in this equation here. Okay? So T2 equals 105.435 times cosine 45 over cosine 29. Okay? So all I've got to do is times cosine 45 equals divided by cosine 29 equals. So it's 85.2417. Notice the sequence. 85.2, which is 8.52 times 10 to the 1 newtons. Okay? Alright, so that's a very, very simple thing to do. You've got to be able to do that. Always remember, up equals down, left equals right. This is all you have to remember, plus the stuff from video 1 about resolution. If you know all that, you'll be fine tomorrow in the tests.